Modern technology has totally transformed our lives, making everything easier and more enjoyable. If our ancestors could see the incredible tools and gadgets in today's video, their jaws would hit the floor. Honestly, even the biggest tech enthusiasts will be blown away by what's coming up. So, before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon for notifications. Ready? Let's get started. Who needs Disneyland rhymes? You can simply install this cool thing on your roof to have endless fun. This 90-kilo helicopter isn't a toy, but an extremely useful agricultural gadget that significantly simplifies the irrigation of crops. That moment when you want to buy a car but only have money for a ladder. That moment when you want to buy a car but only have money for a ladder. This powered hand truck not only facilitates the movement of heavy objects but also allows it to be done on varying terrain. It is just mind-blowing to see such a huge gap literally disappear due to this powerful blast. Forget about fiddling with connectors for your pipes, just bend them with this clever tool. It's a perfect example of how the most ingenious solutions can be surprisingly simple. You can chop wood with an axe like Captain America and use this kinetic log splitter. Let's admit that technologies like this make building anything an incredibly satisfying process. This automatic ladder will no doubt have you literally reaching new heights in your life. That's how I see perfectionists cutting tree branches. Finding an auto repair shop for big vehicles is difficult, but these awesome lifting columns could turn your backyard into exhibit's garage for any truck. A perfect bush doesn't exist. Oh, never mind. You can save months on installing underground pipes with the help of this advanced silver line replacer. Despite its small size, this device can generate 7.5 tons of force to split even the toughest trees. Can I use it as a nutcracker too? This smart crane to help people with visual impairments detect obstacles more easily and accurately. Cutting through high-density pipes usually demands a lot of power and energy unless you have this awesome cutter equipped with an extra sharp and durable blade. Here's another fantastic example of human ingenuity. Combine this tool with a ladder, and you've got an improvised crane that can lift up to 25 pounds. The performance of this vibratory screen is truly outstanding. It can cover nearly 1,000 feet of 10-foot trails on a single battery charge. The Fluke IC can turn your phone into a thermal camera to spot potential hot joints or the predator hiding somewhere in the jungle. If you feel guilty about squishing spiders in your home, This cool gadget is the perfect solution to help clear your conscience. Fishing can be fun when your rod does all the work. Sounds like a dream, not anymore with this useful device. Climbing an electric pole is extremely tiring, but this simple boot attachment makes the process easier by providing its wearer with extra support. What a fun and easy way to bring a comfy chair with you wherever you go. This automotive borescope is designed with 720p front and side cameras that can help spot damages inside your vehicle without the need to disassemble. Who needs a psychologist if you can simply remove weeds in your backyard using this cool device? This 90-kilo helicopter isn't a toy, but an extremely useful agricultural gadget that significantly simplifies the irrigation of crops. Despite its tiny size, this portable sawzall can deal even with the toughest wooden planks. That's how Leatherface would have looked if the Texas Chainsaw Massacre had been filmed by Zoomers. I immediately need this drone on my Minecraft server. These envelopes cover tires to protect them inside the curing chamber and ensure they'll keep their form. Cutting a log isn't a big problem, is it? But what if it lies on the ground and you can't lift it? That's where this bow chainsaw comes into play. But things are different when you have this grabber and a tractora. Pulling shrubs out of the ground is extremely tiring if you have only a shovel. Climbing an electric pole is extremely tiring, but this simple boot attachment makes the process easier by providing its wearer with extra support. This 90-kilo helicopter isn't a toy, but an extremely useful agricultural gadget that significantly simplifies the irrigation of crops. That's all for now, folks. Which of today's tools and devices did you like the most? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to support our channel by giving it a like and subscribing. See you soon.